So I want to show you how to set up the airflow machine. To set up your airflow machine for your patient, you're going to turn on the airflow, of course, and the first powder to use is the plus powder. Fix it in and turn it on. You fix your water for the piezo and for the airflow too. Then you fix your handpieces. This is the airflow handpiece. So you fix it in gently till it clicks. Then you fix the piezo gently as well and clicks in. And then you fix your tip, the piezo tip. So it comes with the knob, so you don't have to remove it and fix. So the key is in, and then you remove the knob, and then you're good to go. So when you are done with this powder, the plus powder, you can fit in the classic powder. So the classic powder removes stain better. So set it in. You can increase and decrease the pressure 1 to 10, and then you're good to go. The airflow comes with 2 powder. It comes with the plus powder and the classic powder. So the plus powder is to remove deposits subgingivally and also supragingivally. So it's meant for mild stains and plaque, but the classic removes stains faster. So when you have tobacco stains, coffee stains, the plus is your go-to for that. When you have art stains, you might want to take it all the way to 10. All the way to 10. So when you have mild stains, just to reduce the pressure, you can go 6, you can go 7, but you can also go all the way. So before now, with the regular machine, when you have stains, patients with stains and plaque, heavy plaque and calculus, you can spend up to 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes doing that. But with the airflow, it removes stains very fast. So it removes stains faster, and the piezo tip is also very gentle but yet effective in removing calculus and plaque. So the airflow machine is the game changer in prophylaxis dentistry.